To install or replace batteries, turn the upper bodies of the mills in an anti-clockwise direction and lift upwards. Lift off the battery compartment and insert 6 AAA batteries into each of the mill's battery compartments, observing correct polarity. Ensure the batteries are inserted correctly as indicated. Replace the battery compartment and upper bodies of the mill by turning in a clockwise direction. To fill the mill, remove the upper body of the mill and battery compartment. Fill the chamber with dry coarse sea salt or standard sized dried peppercorns, leaving some space to prevent blocking the mechanism. Reassemble the unit. To adjust the coarseness of the grind, turn them clockwise for a finer grind or anti-clockwise for a coarser grind. Press the dispensing button at the top of the mill. Residue may build up around the dispensing mechanism, which can prevent the finest grind setting from working. If this happens, turn the mill upside down and begin grinding to release trapped residue.